Hi friends, how are you all? Trust all over the well. When we get up in the morning, what is the first thing that we have? A cup of tea, maybe even two. Reason? Caffeine, hot caffeine, which is not wanted by the body. The caffeine and the heat activate the 11 glands of the body and you start to feel fresh. And your digestive system gets activated, your excretory system gets activated, and motion is induced. That is what happens when you have the morning tea. But my question is not the morning tea. Question now is that a lot of us have cookies and biscuits with morning tea. But is that right? Is that what the body is actually demanding? You are having all purpose flour for one. Is that good for your health? Now, what is it that is ideally right to have in the morning that the body also wants? Something that is high in energy, one. Number two, with a lot of vitamin C, so that vitamin C can kickstart your metabolism, instantly raises the level of your energy in the body. That is what is wanted. So, and this also coincides with exactly what the modern medicine and Ayurveda says, that when you get up in the morning, the very first meal, that is the breakfast, should be very heavy. Lunch should be half of the breakfast and dinner should be half of the lunch. But with the morning tea, the tidbits that you take, whether it is cookies or whatever, the tidbits that we take with the morning tea should be little in number, because remember, after you get up in the morning, 2 hours later you're going to have breakfast. So have very little quantity, but that little quantity should have lot of energy and lot of vitamin C. So to solve the issue, to solve this problem, what did I make and what is it that I generally have? Come, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you what I make and what I have.